Now the product page works very similar to the shop page. So the first thing that you can do over here is you can choose to have a specific title. So here we have type 2, and then also we have type 1. You can also choose to show like the title, the excerpt, and the post meta for your specific product if you want to go that route. You can also choose to change the design of the product title right here. Okay, so this will change like the color and everything else. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on back. Now here you can actually adjust the single product. Okay, now here you can adjust the actual single product structure. So here you'll see that we also have filters on the right side. I personally think that we don't need filters on the product page. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm gonna select normal width. And what that does, it just creates a very standard product page where we have the image on the left side, we have the title, description, and then here you just can add it to the cart. You can also choose a wide option or a box option. I do like the box style because it just makes the single product a little bit more compact and easier to add to the cart. The next option is the vertical elements, and this really doesn't do much. It just creates like a little bit of space in like random areas. I don't really use it too much, so I just put top and bottom, you know. Below that, we actually have the product gallery and then the product elements. This might be a little bit more important. So for example, see when I hover over this, it has that zoom effect. You can go ahead and turn that off. So when they hover over it, it no longer zooms. And then you have a few other options that you can mess with for the single product gallery image, which is this section here. You can also choose to make this image bigger, or you can go ahead and make it smaller. As you can tell, you have a lot of customization with the Blocksy theme, and that's pretty much why we chose this theme, right? Going back over here, we also have product elements. Now, if you do want to show specific elements on this page, you can turn them on or off here. For example, here I'll turn on breadcrumbs, and then you'll see at the top, the breadcrumbs now displayed. Here at the bottom, we have payment methods. I actually do like payment methods. So if we scroll down, you'll see now we have this guaranteed safe checkouts. And then below that, we can actually add the credit cards, and we can also add in PayPal as well. Discover, I don't know if those guys are even around no more. So if they are around, someone let me know in the comments. I haven't used a Discover card in like 10 years, you know, so yeah. But here I'll go ahead and close that. And then also we have this reasons to buy. Let's go ahead and check that out. So I do like the reasons to buy. I think this adds a lot more security to the actual purchase. Here you can go ahead and further adjust every single title. Now what I wanna do is I wanna take the reasons to buy and I wanna put it up. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right above the short description. And after doing that, I would say we have a really strong looking product page. We have the price, we have extra features, description, and you know what? I wanna take the payment methods and put it above the actual add to carts. There we go. So now we also have that guaranteed safe checkout. So overall, you know, we have a really strong looking product page, and this is how you can fully design and customize every element on your single product page. Also for the design section, you can further customize all the colors and everything else for your product page. Let's go ahead and go back. Now, if you want to change the actual color of this background right here under the design tab, you can actually change the color. So for example, if you want to, you know, change it up a little bit. You can also use a gradients if you want to use gradients, and they have a variety of different gradients to choose from, which, you know, I thought was really cool. You know, they just have so many options inside of this theme. It's crazy. And I know many people might think that's crazy to use all this stuff, but at least you have the options and the flexibility to design your product page any which way you want. Now, the very last option is going to be the account page. So